Hello everyone. Do you struggle with English grammar or English language? Do you often get confused about when to use go or goes, was or where? So please don't worry because you are not alone. I am with you. I know about it that many English learners face the same challenge. But today I am going to make grammar easy for you. So in this video I am going to place for learning English in a simple and fun way. If you want to improve your grammar and English language, and if you want to speak confidently and avoid common mistakes, then you are in the right place. So in this video I will tell you something special which you can improve your English. By the end of this video you will have a strong confidence in English and you will understand, write and speak it very well. So please watch this video completely and carefully. So let's begin. As we all know, English language has a very important place in your life, but neither can we understand English properly nor can we speak or write it. And there is only one reason why we consider English language very difficult, and we accept the fact that we will never be able to speak English. But when we see someone speaking English fluently, we think that if he can speak, why can't we? And some days we try to speak English, but we can't even do that. Because we try to learn English in wrong way. We pay attention to English vocabulary, their grammar rule, etc. But according to me, no grammar is required to speak English. Because what have we not seen around us that when a child is born, what language does he know? No, not any language, but he tries to speak by looking at the people around him and copying them. And in front of our eyes, within a few days, he starts speaking his language very easily. So this is just language. To learn any language, one must try to speak it, just like a child tries to speak his language by copying it after seeing it. But it is not so. We all see English as a difficult language and think that we cannot speak it, which means only one thing, that we cannot speak English. So all my dear friends, don't think it, because English is just also a language which we can speak. To learn English, first of all, you should change your mindset, because this is an old saying, as you think, so you are. So please change your thinking about learning English, that English is difficult and we can't speak it. To learn easily English, you should try to speak little sentence every day like hello and how are you. If you have friends who know English, talk to them in English because it is very easy way to learn fluently English, because by doing this your mind will accept the English language and you will learn new words. The second way to learn English is that you should listen to things in English every day. These things can be anything like songs, videos, and Instagram reels, etc. Things in English, because listening to English is very important to learn better English, because if you do this then it will help you a lot in learning the English language. What I mean to say is that to learn English you should use the English language as much as possible in your life. The more you use the English language in your life, the sooner and better you will be able to speak English. So friends, in this video I just want to say that please think in English, talk to people in English, try to talk phone call in English, and whatever you live, try to speak in English, and always think about it that English is the language, not any difficult thing. Because your thinking is very important to learn anything, and if you think that English is easy, then it will be easy, and if you think I can do it faster, then you can do it. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I will promise you that I will teach you better English every day. Thank you so much for watching this video, my all dear friends.